Okay. Spell, what's your name? W-H-A-T-M-Y-N-A-M-E. Oh.
Is that my name?
You said spell, what's my name? Oh.
Please, you're so bad.
You told me spell, what's my name? I already have spelled it. What's my name?
You have to spell my name, not the word.
Spell my name. What
Nagagalit.
did I spell? I'm just following what you said.
No, not like that.
How? Tell me how.
Spell my name.
Spell my name.
Just say, spell name Maka.
Oh.
Spell name of Maka.
What's the spelling? What is your name?
M-A-K-K-A.
I said, what is your name? Your name is M-A-K-K-A.
Huwag mo na akong panilakin.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, your name is M-A-K-K-A.
Okay, spell it. Spell Maka.
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 M-A-K-K-A.
Maka. Okay, very good. It should be like that one. Spell Maka, not spell my name. Because she's going to spell the word.
You should tell me, spell Maka.
Na-stress ako.
M-A-K-K-A. Sabi
mo
ba naman
Spell my name.
You should,
Spell my
you
name.
should, you should spell Maka.
Yeah, spell Maka. Uy, nawala na siya sa ano.
You should learn what I said, but you're not learning like that. You should learn up there.
I'm just following what you're saying. Am I wrong? I'm just following what you said. That's your instruction. Spell my name.
No, I'm calling somebody, no?
No, you're not.